Well, I finally managed to assemble this wind chime. It was really difficult. So if you're patient and you think this looks cool and you want to have a go at it, you'll definitely need some patience. And I'll give you a few tips on what I finally discovered as being the things that helped me. And to assemble the outer ring, I ended up having to, I found this container, a yogurt container, and I stuck it on painter's tape, just rolled it up and had the sticky side so that it kept it stuck on the hair enough for me to be able to work with it. And then I had to follow these directions on assembling the pieces, and definitely is not easy. So for that centerpiece that you see in step 2, I ended up using my Perrier's bottle, and the same thing, I stuck it with some paper tape. I put it onto the bottle and threaded all of the pieces through it, and then oops, I've got it in a knot now. And then for the final assembly, I used a banana holder out of the kitchen just to hang it up so that I could, put the pieces together with the hummingbird on the top. And I discovered that I did lose a bead, but I found a bead, and if I wanted to have it perfect, I think what I would do is go back and undo all of this piece and poke it through the bead so that the bead is hanging at the bottom of the hummingbird. Anyhow, that was my first thing. And then I've ordered these spinners, the wind spinners. So that'll be the next project. I'm just going to make those up, and that's with dye sublimation. But anyhow, I got it done, and it was really not easy. But the most difficult pieces is when you've got all of these strings coming up from this piece, and then all of the strings coming up from that piece. So I've got a whole ton of little I can't remember what they're called. I don't know if you can see that. The what are they called? Well, in the instruction manual, they are called positioning beads. So anyhow, it was a laborious task to do this, to assemble this, but it was fun, and I just wanted to have some chimes around, and I think I'm not going to hang this outside because it's all of this really fine crystal wire, which is probably going to melt in the sun out here, because we have pretty severe sun in the summertime. So I'm probably not going to hang it in the trees. I'll just have it by my window, so if I open the window, it'll chime. Anyhow, sorry it's taken me so long to get back to you after the number 1 video on the resin demolding. But like I say, this has taken me quite a while And if you want to know how to do the resin pieces, go back to my number 1 video, which I showed you how to put the mica powders into the mold and then pour the resin into it. That's how I did these ones, and I really like the effect. It's quite it's not a solid color. It changes. There are different colors coming through. Excuse my big old pink clogs. They're really super comfortable. Anyway, so that is the finished product as far as I am concerned. It might not be to everybody's taste, but I will say that I do appreciate now the work involved in that people assemble of these and sell them. So it's definitely was a good lesson on patience, and which is something that I need. So that's one of the reasons I've done it, and I wasn't going to give up. I was going to complete it, even though my husband said, "Oh, why don't you just stop doing it?" And I was like, "No, I've got to finish it." Anyway, if you like my videos, I would really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up to help the algorithms, and I will be producing more videos as I do different craft projects, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, so then you'll know when I post another video. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, and I am going to go in and cook dinner now. So have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.